Small and medium-sized enterprises have a key role to play in achieving global energy access for all. However, due to the variety of challenges in the market, local enterprises have difficulty reaching their full potential. That's where the Energy Enterprise Coach comes in, an initiative of the Netherlands Enterprise Agency. The EEC is a one-stop shop for business development services to support entrepreneurs on their journey. We provide small and medium-sized enterprises with the tools they need in order to grow. The EEC is demand-driven, prioritizing the entrepreneur's questions. By means of an open dialogue, we formulate a support trajectory for growth together with the entrepreneur. We deliver the support through our unique approach, including a network of local mentors, international trainers, and peer-to-peer learning activities. The Energy Enterprise Coach provides tools for scaling up business fundamentals and knowledge or skills related to operational management, distribution channels, access to finance, and more. The Energy Enterprise Coach opens up a world of opportunities. Together with entrepreneurs, we are driving the energy transition. Visit ee-coach.com to see what the EEC can do for you.